Hello, good afternoon, guys. Today we'll talk about trade secrets. So, trade secret is nothing but it's a confidential information which provides competitive edges. So, we are including some confidential information which are related to some formulas or practices or some design or compilation of information which is not generally shared with any other person. Okay, it is kept as a secret so that the economic advantage can be obtained over other customers or competitors. So briefly we can say trade secret is a confidential information or a classified information. So this act came into India in 1872, which is stated as Indian Contract Act, which is provided to protect the trade secret. Then the term is very broadly including all these things like sales methods, it includes the distribution methods, consumer profiles, advertising strategy, some manufacturing processes. So we can see some examples like some food factory and some food manufacturing industries where the secret element of their manufacturing food items is not disclosed to anyone. For example, you can take KFC, where the KFC's products are literally having some different taste compared to other products. And the taste are the components which are used to make the products are kept secret. Okay, same from Pizza Hut and McDonald's. So the McDonald's burger which is there in McDonald's, if you get the same components and if you prepare the same burger, then also the taste will differ. And that's what the trade secret they prefer for the economic advantage. Okay, so again, if you come to beverages in that Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola is having specific components which gives the thunder taste, which is not at all being shared or disclosed to anyone. Okay, so before what happened is Coca-Cola is having a code name merchandise 7X. Only the two employees of the Coca-Cola has known the secret ingredients of that beverage. Okay, and they have signed one agreement, that is non-disclosure agreement, which is there in Georgia, and in that they also said that they are not allowed to travel together also. And this is what the trade secret mean to be, means there is one rule that the secret formula should not be revealed to anyone, and minimum number of people only should know the trade secret of that brand. Okay, so before in India also the Coca-Cola was not having the permission to sell their product in India. And after some act, that is in 1991, India has changed that law that Coca-Cola started to sell their products in our country also. Okay, so this is what trade secret means. And here there are some parameters the trade secret has to fulfill. Like first one is not generally known to the public. So whatever the secret of their ingredient we can say or their beverage is there, that never has to be shared to the public. If it is shared, the economic benefit almost reduces. Okay, so what the pizza you are getting in Pizza Hut, it's a secret if you get to know that same taste pizza will be available everywhere, and the Pizza Hut will lose its economic benefit. So economic benefit, for the economic benefit at least you should not share the trade secret status, and it should be maintained as a top secret. Okay, so this is what we have to follow for fulfilling the trade secret status. Okay, so nextly we can say some protecting acts we need to follow for the trade secret. So the first main thing we can say is restrict the access to the information. Okay, in lock that information in some secure place. Okay, or in bank vault. Okay, so that what happens is the information can never be leaked to anyone. Next, limit the number of people who knows this information. Most probably set only one or two people so that information never be disclosed to anyone else rather than those two people. Okay, so then have the people who know the trade secret agree and they are ready not to disclose this information. So make some agreements like non-disclosure agreements between those two people. Okay, and then have anyone that comes in contact with the trade secret directly or indirectly sign non-disclosure agreements. If anyone gets to know the secret of that trade, they has to be signed on non-disclosure agreement that may protect the trade secret of your brand. Okay, and one more thing is what, mark any written material pertaining to the trade secret as a proprietary. So these are some protecting acts to follow the trade secret.